Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox not starting. First, confirm your internet connection is stable. A weak signal often prevents the game from launching. Then, a simple computer restart frequently resolves many unexpected issues. Close any demanding programs running in the background, such as video editors or other games, which consume significant resources. Lastly, quickly verify the official Roblox status page for any widespread server problems that might be affecting all users. Corrupted cache files can often prevent Roblox from launching correctly, so clearing them is an important step. Navigate to your app data folder and delete the Roblox cache to start fresh. If that does not work, completely uninstalling and then reinstalling the game client can resolve deeper software conflicts. Always download the newest version directly from the official Roblox website, ensuring you have at least 1 GB of free disk space for a smooth installation. Outdated graphics drivers are a common cause of game launch failures. Visit your graphics card manufacturer's website to download and install the newest drivers. Furthermore, ensure your operating system has all its latest updates installed, as these often include critical performance and security enhancements. Always restart your computer after installing any significant updates to allow them to take full effect properly. This helps maintain system compatibility for applications like Roblox. Sometimes, your computer's firewall or antivirus software might mistakenly block Roblox from launching. Try temporarily disabling them to see if this resolves the issue. If it does, be sure to add Roblox and its launcher as a trusted exception in your security program settings. Also, confirm you are not using a VPN or proxy server that could interfere with the game's connection, as these can sometimes cause unexpected network problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.